Azure AI solutions offer a comprehensive suite of tools and services designed to help organizations build, deploy, and manage AI applications. These solutions leverage Azure's robust cloud infrastructure to provide scalable, secure, and efficient AI capabilities. In this presentation, we will delve into the process of determining a default endpoint for a service within the context of planning and managing an Azure AI solution. Understanding how to configure and manage endpoints is crucial for ensuring seamless integration and optimal performance of AI services. Endpoints in Azure are URLs that allow clients to interact with services. They serve as access points for applications to communicate with Azure services, such as APIs, databases, and AI models. Endpoints can be public or private, depending on the security and accessibility requirements. In the context of Azure AI solutions, endpoints are essential for deploying and consuming AI models, enabling applications to leverage AI capabilities seamlessly. A default endpoint is a pre-configured URL that serves as the primary access point for a service. It simplifies the process of connecting to the service by providing a consistent and reliable address. In Azure AI solutions, setting a default endpoint ensures that applications can easily access AI models and services without needing to specify custom URLs. This is particularly important for maintaining consistency, reducing configuration errors, and streamlining the deployment process. Configuring a default endpoint involves specifying the URL that will serve as the primary access point for the service. This can be done through the Azure portal, CLI, or SDKs. The process typically includes selecting the appropriate service, defining the endpoint URL, and configuring any necessary security settings. Proper configuration ensures that the endpoint is accessible, secure, and optimized for performance. It also involves setting up authentication mechanisms to control access to the service. Security is a critical aspect of configuring default endpoints. Ensuring that the endpoint is secure involves implementing authentication and authorization mechanisms, such as API keys, OAuth tokens, and Azure Active Directory AAD integration. Additionally, using HTTPS for endpoint URLs ensures that data transmitted between clients and the service is encrypted. Configuring network security groups, NSGs, and firewalls can further protect the endpoint from unauthorized access and potential threats. Optimizing the performance of default endpoints is essential for ensuring that AI services respond quickly and efficiently. This involves selecting the appropriate region for the endpoint to minimize latency, configuring load balancing to distribute traffic evenly, and implementing caching mechanisms to reduce response times. Monitoring and analyzing endpoint performance using Azure Monitor and Application Insights can help identify and address any performance bottlenecks, ensuring a smooth and responsive user experience. Scalability and reliability are key considerations when configuring default endpoints. Azure provides various tools and services, such as Azure Traffic Manager and Azure Front Door, to ensure that endpoints can handle varying levels of traffic and remain available even during peak times. Implementing auto-scaling policies and redundancy measures can help maintain service availability and performance. Regularly testing and validating the endpoint configuration can ensure that it meets the required scalability and reliability standards. Continuous monitoring and maintenance of default endpoints are crucial for ensuring their ongoing performance and security. Azure provides various monitoring tools, such as Azure Monitor, Log Analytics, and Application Insights, to track endpoint performance, detect anomalies, and generate alerts. Regularly reviewing and updating endpoint configurations, security settings, and performance metrics can help maintain optimal service levels. Implementing automated maintenance tasks can further streamline the management process. Consider a scenario where an organization deploys an AI model for image recognition using Azure AI services. The default endpoint for the model is configured to ensure seamless integration with the organization's applications. By setting up a secure and optimized endpoint, the organization can ensure that the AI model is easily accessible, performs efficiently, and remains secure. This case study highlights the importance of proper endpoint configuration in achieving successful AI model deployment and integration. Effective endpoint management involves following best practices to ensure security, performance, and reliability. These include using strong authentication mechanisms, regularly updating security settings, optimizing endpoint performance, and implementing redundancy measures. Additionally, documenting endpoint configurations and maintaining a clear change management process can help streamline endpoint management. Adhering to these best practices can help organizations achieve optimal results when deploying and managing Azure AI solutions. Organizations may encounter various challenges when configuring and managing default endpoints, such as security vulnerabilities, performance issues, and scalability limitations. Addressing these challenges involves implementing robust security measures, optimizing endpoint configurations, and leveraging Azure's scalability features. Regularly reviewing and updating endpoint settings, monitoring performance metrics, and conducting security audits can help mitigate these challenges and ensure the smooth operation of AI services. As AI and cloud technologies continue to evolve, new trends and advancements in endpoint management are emerging. These include the use of AI-driven monitoring and optimization tools, increased emphasis on security and compliance, and the integration of advanced networking technologies. Staying informed about these trends and adopting innovative solutions can help organizations stay ahead in the rapidly changing landscape of AI and cloud computing. Embracing these trends can lead to more efficient, secure, and scalable endpoint management practices. Determining a default endpoint for a service is a critical aspect of planning and managing an Azure AI solution. It involves configuring secure, optimized, and reliable access points for AI services, ensuring seamless integration and performance. By following best practices, addressing common challenges, and staying informed about future trends, organizations can achieve successful AI deployments and integrations. Continuous monitoring and maintenance are essential for maintaining optimal endpoint performance and security. Proper endpoint management is key to unlocking the full potential of Azure AI solutions.